Okay, so right now I'm just showing you what you're gonna need. I like to use this, but you need some type of juicer. I got this one from Kroger. It's heavy duty. It's the larger circumference, so that it can fit the larger lemons and limes. I purchased a smaller one from Walmart, but I still have it. I'll continue to use that one for my smaller citrus fruits, but I like this one because it fits those larger lemons and limes. Okay. And I have just a mason jar and a lid to capture my juice. Mason jar and the lid. Just a small glass mason jar with the lid to capture my juice. And of course, the lemon and the knife. So, just give it a quick roll to get the juices going. And I just slice it in half. And I don't use the juice for my face. I use this to make lemonade. So here, I'll just place this here. And I just squeeze my juice. And then I'll just hang on to this. Hang on to this. Then take the other half of my lemon. And then I just go ahead and put this aside or refrigerate this until I'm ready to use it. But I'm going to make some lemonade in just a minute. But I don't use this juice. This juice, I'm going to drink it. I'm going to make some lemonade with it. It's going to be nice and refreshing. And also having the lemon juice inside of my body is helping to with the healing process as well. So I'm just going to set this to the side. I don't need it anymore. Here's my water, my lemon juice.